Hi guys, other this side, and today I'm going to discuss on how I actually rank my client business high on Google in 2022. Alright, so we'll start with the presentation, guys. Okay, so let's move forward to that. Yes, so that's the thing. So initially, what you have to do is we got the client business name right. So I'm going to share what hacks we implemented, right? So it's important that whenever you are getting your client business name right, your keyword should come naturally and in a flow. If ever you're planning to add keywords in your headline or say GMB profile listing, would add your business to Google Maps, right? So in that case, you enter your address in the search bar. On the left side, the business profile, you could click add your business. Okay, so these are the steps, right? You have to right click anywhere on the map and click on add your business. So I'm giving you simple hacks, right? And in the top left menu, you can click on add your business as well. So this is how you could add your business to Google Maps, right? So this is you need to follow, right? So these steps I am going to share with you on how to add a business to Google Maps, and then you have to get a client business name right. Okay, so I'll show you how this is done. I go to google.com backslash references. Okay, so and here it is. Show mode for United States. Okay, then what you have to do is you have to enter the target keyword top Los Angeles chiropractor. Okay, so see, we got the client business name right. That is top Los Angeles chiropractor, correct? So this is how you have to get your business name right. Okay, then we optimize the content pages. Your content pages should have a unique meta title composed of targeted keywords and location. You have to do the same for your headers and do not forget to set them as h1 HTML tag. Okay, so you have to structure your content in well-defined paragraphs that all incorporate headers integrated with keywords. So it's important that you use unique photos for your business and make sure to add alt text to them. Then you have to link your pages internally with specific anchor text that would make a big difference. So let's see the practicals as well. Okay, so say CRMLS backslash blog. Okay, so I'll scroll down over here. Okay, so this is the landing page, right? So now what pointers we discussed over here? You have to optimize your content pages. First thing is you need to have a unique meta title. So I'll show you the sales code over here. You can do page source. Then see, we added a unique meta title with the zip code. Top Los Angeles chiropractor, CRMLS center 90020. Okay, so you could see this. This is something very important, right? So next is we also added h1 HTML tags. I'll show this to you. See, h1 tag top Los Angeles chiropractor. So we also added secondary keywords. Keep your page with CRM under center proven chiropractic treatment as well. Okay. So we Also structure the content in well-defined paragraphs. See, I'll show it to you. See, we structure the content in well-defined paragraphs as well. Okay, so with this, I move to the next point. Then you have we implemented SEO content optimization checklist for a client business, right? So what we did is initially we researched optimal keywords. Then, okay, after that's done, then we use keyword naturally and strategically. We optimize title tags, we include relevant keywords in the URL. Okay, we optimize the images. We wrote compelling meta description. Then we link to related authority websites, and we did a lot of internal linking linked to your own content. Okay, so I'll show you few steps over here. Optimizing the title tag I've already showed you. So we include relevant keywords in the URL. Okay, so I'll show you this pointer here. See, this is the relevant keyword, chiropractor Los Angeles. So this is the URL structure, right? So we integrated relevant keywords in the URL as well. Yes, I hope this adds value. Then we optimize the images over here. So what I'll show you is I click source. Okay, then image. Okay, image source. Then here it is. Okay, in this section we added all tags, the images as well. Okay, so we optimize the images. Then link to authority side we did a lot of internal linking. So I'll show you internal linking as well. So I'll open this and log backslash log. Okay, so here it is. I'll open this post over here. Okay, I'll scroll down over here as well. There it is. We did a lot of internal linking to our landing page from the content page, right? So this is internal linking as well. Okay, so let's move forward. We optimize images as we discussed. We wrote compelling meta description. Okay, so this is something very important, guys. So okay, so we optimize images for all pages of the website, including content pages as well. Okay, so we wrote compelling meta description. We link to related authority websites. Okay, so we did internal linking. So link to your own content. So something very important is that helps in ranking here. Okay, so I show you how we wrote meta descriptions over here as well. So I get one page source. See, I'll enter F description. See, we wrote comparing meta description. Top Los Angeles chiropractor at Sierra Wellness Center 90020 provides best chiropractic treatment to heal your pain. Call now on this number. So we added the CTA as well. We integrated the primary keyword as well. So this was like a comparing meta description as well. I hope this is clear. Okay. So let's move forward. Then we applied easy content creation. So what you can do is you can go to Google Business Profile and click on Google Reviews. You can find the keyword in the reviews by entering Ctrl F, then copy the content of Google Reviews and you can paste them on your page. So how this is done, let's do some practicals over here. Okay, I go to google.com, see CRM, as the top lesson is actor or CRM Wellness Center. Okay, this over here. Okay, so here it is. Let's go down. These are the Google reviews, guys. Okay, so what you can do is you can copy this Google reviews on your actual site. So this is how you can get the content ideas as well, right? This is something very important that you have to follow. Okay, so let's say I type chiropractor. Here it is. I just entered Control F, chiropractic losses. You can copy these keywords on your site. Now I'll share some amazing ads on how you can embed Google review widget on your website. Initially, what you have to do is create an account, go to sources, click on add source, and add Google as a source to connect your Google My Business location. Once review widget is generated, simple, you just have to copy the provided code, and then you have to open your website HTML and paste the widget code. Then make sure Google reviews are clickable and link back to your Google profile just in case visitors want to review or verify the source as well. On the other way around, Yelp also make it easier to embed reviews directly on your site. Okay, so you could add all targeted frequently asked questions on your Google landing pages as well. So this is something very important point. Okay, so I'll show you practical how we implemented this. So I'll show this. Let's go down here. I'll show you one more page. Say, uh, yes, okay, so this, see, we added FAQs the landing page as well, right? So here it is. We added 6 targeted frequently asked questions on the connected delivery page, right? So this, then we added external link to the site. So basically what happens is link pointing to your website will help you enormously rank on Google, right? Okay, so this will definitely help you with this. Okay, so this is this. Then you have to link out to the authoritative websites that is highly relevant to the page. Then you have to figure out the authoritative websites in your own vertical and add them to some of the pages as well. You have to make it specific for each page. Then you have to make sure that authoritative website, especially news site, love to post stories that are relevant current trends and news stories as well. Okay, so this is something very important, guys. So I'll just hold this so that you understand. Yes. Then knowing this, you need to start a research with different news channel and trending tools to help you find the content opportunities that someone would want to reference. So here's a list of it. Spot on. You search on Google Trends or news top stories, Bing trending topics or Twitter trending topics or AOL trends as well. Okay, so this is something very simple. So I need not show you the practical answers. Okay, then you have to create pages for specific services. The service pages your online salesperson, right? So you should provide all the information a potential customer needs to know if the service is a good fit for them. If at all you are struggling to decide what to put on your service page, you can take a list of the information your customer look for and needs to make a buying decision. So I'll show you for the service page as well. So I'll show you here crmwellnesscelly.com. Okay, so here it is. These are the service pages: physiotherapy, massage therapy, PRP, stem cell therapy, neuropathy, facial treatments. See, this is massage therapy page. So here the client created service pages as well, right? Okay. So, so this, then stem cell therapy, it is. Okay, so client created this service pages, facial treatment as well. Okay, so we created the facial treatment as well, right? So this is the service pages. Okay, so it's important that you to have it for your local business as well. Okay, so then we created city pages. SEO city pages are an incredible effective SEO technique that can assist with reaching potential customers in your local marketplace organically. City pages are not only good for your SEO, but they are an excellent way to tailor content and offerings to a specific target market. So basically, what happens is you use proximity as a rank factor for your local business, right? So you have to create city pages, which will really help you in your local SEO as well. So basically, you have to create city pages on your website where your Google business profile cannot rank. So a handful of pages close to your business location will suffice for your wider radius. You have to conduct keyword research to find out if anyone is searching for your offer in those locations as well. So I'll show you how this is done over here. So I'll open ads.google.com. I'll sign in. Okay, I on my manager account here. Okay, so what I'll do is I some settings and planning, keyword planner, checkout, and discover new keywords. I just type as lost ageless chiropractor. I change country over here. Let's see, United States. Okay, I can save, scroll down, results. So I download the sheet over here, sheets as well. Download, I create it as well. So I click on open sheets. Here it is. I see. I could get a list of keywords which I can use for my local campaign, right? So Los Angeles chiropractor is having a search volume of 3,600. Competition is low. Then best chiropractor, Los Angeles 880. Competition is low. So these are the list of keywords which you can use for your local SEO campaign. So this was just a live example. Okay. So how do you write a city page? Your title tag, basically you have to keep it under 60 characters and give every city page a unique title. Then in meta description, you have to keep it under 160 characters. You have to write, encourage someone to click and do not keyword stuff. But you should try to integrate the keyword of city once in a logical sentence. For example, page name could be abc.com backslash city. Menu title could be your city name plus your keyword as well. Alright guys, so with this I end my presentations. Please like and share this video as well as subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments. I would be happy to help you. Alright, and my WhatsApp number is +91 98502 If you need any help, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp as well. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Have a wonderful